Hello friends. Now we are discussing numericals of chapter 10. Here is the first one. It is taken from the page number 170 of your textbook. A convex mirror used for real view on an automobile has a radius of curvature of 3 meter if a bus is located at 5 meter from the mirror. Find the position, nature and size of the image. The convex mirror used for the rear view mirror generally uh, in on our automobile there are two side mirrors. They are of convex mirror, so it is the same thing. And for convex mirror the image is obtained virtual, erect and uh, reduced size. Here we have mirror convex. Now radius of curvature. Radius of curvature means r. R is equal to 3 meter. For convex mirror, radius of curvature is positive because uh, radius of curvature the right side of the mirror and it is uh, virtual, so it is positive distance, right hand side distance from the mirror according to the new Cartesian sign convention we have discussed last lecture. So f is equal to r upon 2 because radius of curvature and focal length relation is r upon 2. Focal length is half of the radius. It is so 3 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 meter. Now if a bus means object, a bus is located at 5 meter from the mirror, located at 5 meter, it means the object distance is u. The object distance u, it is always taken as negative because we place the object left side to the mirror, so it is the left side distance is negative. So we have this distance as a negative. Find the position, nature and size of the image. So image position means distance of image. Size of image. Okay. Now we have mirror formula. Mirror formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Therefore 1 upon f means 1 upon 3 by 2, 1 upon v we have to find, and u 1 upon minus 5. The 2 is going up, 2 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon v plus into minus 1 upon 5. Now place 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5 to the left side. It is 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon v. So 1 upon v is equal to, here LCM, 3 5s are 15 LCM, and 5 is multiplied by 2, 10, and 3 is multiplied by 1, 3. It is 13 upon 15. 1 upon v is equal to 13 upon 15, hence v is equal to 15 upon 13. Now 15 upon 13. 13 ones are 13. Point 0. 13 ones are 13. 7 0 65 5 39 11. So we have to 1.153. 1.153 meter. It is approximate. This is the sign of approximate. 1.15 meter. So here it is positive. 1.15 meter is positive to according to sign of convention. If V is positive, the image is virtual. So virtual it is formed behind the mirror from the pole. Now we have to find the size of the image. So for size of the image, so we have to find magnification. M is equal to minus V upon U. Minus V 1 upon 1.15. U is equal to minus 5 meter. Meter cut. Minus into minus, minus upon minus plus 5 2s are 10. 1 is carried, so 15. The 5 3s are 15. 0.23. Image is 0.23 times of the object. So here this is the answer. Now example number 2. An object 4 cm in size is placed at 25 cm in front of a concave mirror. Here mirror is concave. Now the focal length of 15 cm. The focal length of the mirror matlab F 15 cm. But here concave mirror, the focal length of concave mirror taken is negative because focus is in front of mirror and it is on the left side, so the focal length should be negative according to the new sign of convention. And the object is placed at 25 cm. Object is placed U 25 cm. So U is placed object is placed always left side, so it is always negative and for any mirror. So what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed? Screen be placed, it means the distance of image is V, so V should be fine. Then find the nature and the size of the image. Size H dash, image size, and here we have Object size h we have given 4 centimeter. Okay, now 4 centimeter is the height of the object. We should find the height of image. We have a concave mirror. So for a concave mirror, if focal length is equal to 15 centimeter, then radius of curvature is double than focal length, so it is 30 centimeter. And our object is at 25 centimeter, so it is between 15 and 30. So it is in between focus and center of curvature. So the image obtained as according to our figures, the image is obtained when object is placed between center of curvature and focus. It is beyond center of curvature. It is obtained beyond the center of curvature. It means more than the distance of radius of curvature. So here we can predict how and where the image is formed. So put these values in our mirror formula. Mirror formula: 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. 1 upon f, 1 upon minus 15, 1 upon v we have to find, and 1 upon minus 25. 1 upon minus 15 is equal to 1 upon v plus minus 1 upon 25. Now 1 upon 25 should be placed here. So 1 upon v is equal to minus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 25. Now what is the LCM? The LCM of 15 and 25 is, the 15 and 25 table of 15 and table of 25, when they match each other, then it is our answer. So 15 in 15 table, 15 5 is 75, and in 25 fifth table, 25 3 is 75. So 75 is our answer. So LCM is equal to 75. 15 5 is and 5 1s are 5. So minus 5 plus 25 3s are 75, so, and 3 1s are 3. It is minus 2 upon 75. 1 upon v is equal to minus 2 upon 75. Then v is equal to 75 upon 2 minus. So minus 37.5 centimeter. Earlier we predict that the image is formed beyond center of curvature. So here center of curvature is at 30 centimeter, and we obtain image 37.5. It means it is beyond the center of curvature. It is formed at the more distance than radius of curvature, and it is negative. Negative means image is found in front of mirror, so it is real. So real and inverted image. Now height of the image, h magnification m is equal to h dash upon h is equal to minus v upon u. We have this formula. So h dash upon h is equal to minus v upon u, because we have h, v and u. So h dash is equal to minus v into h upon u. Minus v, minus 37.5, again minus, this minus, and v is equal to minus 37.5. h is equal to 4 centimeter, and u minus 25. So here this minus and this minus is cancelled. So minus 37.5 into 4 upon 25. Now 37.5 upon 25. 25 ones are 25. 25 and 12 is equal to 37. 12, it means 125. 25 5s are 125. So here 1.5. 1.5 into 4 minus 6.0 centimeter. The height of the image is minus 6.0. Minus means it is inverted. So the image real inverted and enlarged because it is bigger than the object. Real means minus. Inverted means minus. Now position. In front of mirror, beyond center of curvature, 37.5 centimeter away from pole. So here is the answer. So in this way we can solve our problems. Now we end up this session, and in the next session we discuss about another topic, refraction of light. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.